Kamusta YouTube, and welcome back to another backyard unboxing. We just got back from Tokyo and I bought two sneakers right here that are under the radar, and I want you guys to know more about them and hopefully you'll like them also. Before our trip to Tokyo, I was doing some research about this brand. It's Asahi, and there's not much videos on YouTube, so puro Instagram lang. If there are some, there would be in other dialects like Japanese siguro or Thai, but English very seldom. And that's why I'm doing my public service to you guys para ma-introduce sa inyo, and hopefully you'll be more familiar with this. No gatekeeping, just sharing. Just like I mentioned in my other videos, where I travel and go to a particular country, I see to it that I buy local goods, maybe what's trending during that time, nothing hyped, or should I just say the flavor of the trip, baga. And for this time, it's the Asahi canvas and the 45R chambray deck shoes. So let's start with Asahi. Okay, so in case you're asking right now, why? It's too plain. It looks like Vans authentic. It's not even trending or hype, or only a few know about them. That's the whole point, for me to introduce something new to you. I want everyone to know more about these, maybe to add diversity in your collection, then be more open to other styles. Okay, Asahi is based on American shoes in the 70s, yung vintage looking, skater, surfer vibe. Pero why not just buy Vans? Well, for me, looking at it, it looks way better, diba? Do you agree? And yeah, it's made in Japan. It's a product of the Japan, and Asahi has different styles from M14 deck shoes, M13 slip-on, belted low suede, belted low leather, 16 trainer, 24 trainer 2, 33 trainer 3, and last but not the least, 037 trainer 4. I'm curious about the designs, pero si deck shoes lang ang available. Asahi is originally from Fukuoka. The factory is there, and some retailers like Persica. That's why hopefully next trip, sa Fukuoka naman kami pumunta. And also, it's the birthplace of the tonkotsu ramen. So, two birds with one stone na. This one naman, the 45R, is a happy accident. Nice, no? Yeah, then we went to Tokyo Midtown Mall. It's fairly new. So my wife and I were just into the Japanese denim. Walking around, we saw this denim store. Very interesting ang look niya kasi very Japanese, very local. Ang ganda ng clothes, from menswear, women's wear. There were jeans, t-shirts, shirts, dresses, accessories. This one, it wasn't really displayed until I saw this drawer. It's the lowest part. Andun, pag open kong ganyan, everything was there. All colors, from white, cream, gradient pa nga, red, orange. I want to buy all of them. I want to buy all the colors. It's just a little pricey, so I had to choose one. During that time, I was really locked into finding or buying the Asahi. And this was the next best thing. The story naman about this, it was our last day, ready to go home. But we had a few hours to spare. May last minute shopping pa, last minute eating and catching up with friends. I went to ABC Mart, I went back to Beams. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay na. I accepted the fact na maybe next time na lang si Asahi. I'm ready to go home. I'm happy with my 993. Going back to our meeting place, I saw this store. It's called Ships. Bakit it sounded familiar? So I went all the way back of the store. So ayun na. Different colors of Asahi. Especially this one. No questions. Tara, game na. So I ended up buying this one. It's also Ships Asahi collab. yeah, they do look like the Vans Authentics and Mr. Flicks. Yung old school, classic, simple pero lasting dating, especially when you're not wearing long socks. I think mas okay dito yung ankle or yung foot socks or yung no-show socks. Yeah, just like I mentioned, it does look very narrow. It runs long. So I got a size 9, 27 cm in Japan measurements. If you have wide feet and you wanted to buy this, better go up one size. This one is 12,980 yen, roughly 5,000 pesos. And for the 45R, this one is 20,900 yen, more or less 8,000 pesos. But you'll see naman the difference between two kasi ito, it has leather here, inside. Yeah, just show your passport when you're ready to pay and they'll give you the tax-free discounts. Definitely bring your passports kasi if you're going out for shopping, you're gonna spend more than 5,000 yen, you can definitely ask for tax-free. I tried using them. Most likely if you're going out on errands, going to church, of course. Yeah, pwede. I would highly recommend buying these two. Just for you to check out which one you prefer. It would be nice to have both kasi you get the best of two brands. Especially when you're trying to change up your outfit. And like me, I'm turning 43 this year. I want to tone down my collection. And I want to look more age appropriate na rin. There you have it, 45R chambray and the Asahi Ships collaboration canvas tech shoes. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in them. I will link them down in the description. Are you gonna buy them? Or you'll just stick to Vans? Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next.